to fix Snapchat Spotlight submission rejected. If your Snapchat Spotlight submission is rejected, carefully edit the snap to remove unoriginal content, watermarks like TikTok or copyrighted music. Ensure the video is high quality, vertically oriented, adheres to Snapchat's community guidelines, and meets age requirement. Now, sometimes a rejection or stock processing error is a software glitch. So to fix the software glitch issue, you can start by updating the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Find the Snapchat app, and if you see an update button available right here instead of open, simply tap an update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is clear the ad cache through the in-app settings. Just open the Snapchat app on your device, tap on a Bitmoji at the top left, then tap the settings at the top right corner, and then scroll down to privacy controls section, then tap clear data. Now tap clear cache, then tap clear one more time to confirm it. Now Snapchat will ask you to restart the app. Simply tap OK to close it and then restart your Snapchat app. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.